recognize you. You like it?
Yeah.
I love your dress.
This day is not just a celebration of this moment, but an acknowledgement of the next chapter in their lives together. It is no accident that each one of you is here today. We are gathered here today on this beautiful day to witness and celebrate the marriage of Caitlin and Will. Will and Caitlin, you've seen that marriage takes hard work, consistent commitment, endless patience, and a sense of humor. You've seen that it means to show up for your partner in the good times and in the hard times. As a young couple, you've already supported each other through some incredibly tough times, and you've made it through stronger. It's time to make this thing official. I am so very pleased to present for the first time as a married couple, Mr. Will and Caitlin Green.
For something that is free. I'm not here to try and change you.
I'm not a crier, but I definitely was holding back the tears during the ceremony, for sure. The type of guy Will is, I can't say enough, he's been a rock in our family for a long, long time. He's our go-to. He's our insurance guy. I thank y'all for everything that you've done for me, so I appreciate it. Love you, and I wish the best for all of them.
Growing up, she was always the older sister I looked up to. I'm very proud of both of them. They've come a long way. I've been with them every step of the way, actually. So expect more of me.